How to fix Hulu app not working. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your connection is working properly. You can try turning airplane mode for around 10 seconds and then turn it back off. You can also test both your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes your issue. A weak or unstable connection can stop Hulu from loading correctly. Now, you want to go ahead and restart the app. You want to go ahead and simply close the app completely and then reopen it to check if it starts working or not. After that, check for updates. Open up the App Store. In the software, you can simply search for Hulu. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. And just like that, if any update button is available, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now, if the app is still not working, restart your phone or tablet. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system. And once your device turns back on, open Hulu again. Also, check for VPN. So open up settings. Insert here, tap on General. Scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management and make sure it is turned off. VPN can sometimes block Hulu or cause streaming error. So once it is disconnected, you can try opening the app again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.